In this video, we're going to cover 100 essential HSE abbreviations that every health, safety, and environment professional must know. So grab a notebook, hit that like button, and let's dive into the ultimate guide of HSE abbreviations. Section 1. Basic HSE terms. Abbreviations: health, safety, and environment. Environment, health, and safety. Health, safety, environment, and quality. Safety, health, and environment. Work health and safety. Personal protective equipment. American National Standards Institute. National Fire Protection Association. Occupational Safety and Health Administration. National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health. Section 2. Management and Regulatory Terms Abbreviations. Institution of Occupational Safety and Health. National Examination Board in Occupational Safety and Health. International Organization for Standardization. International Labor Organization. National Safety Council. Environmental Protection Agency. Mine Safety and Health Administration. European Agency for Safety and Health at Work. American Conference of Governmental Industrial Hygienists. Code of Federal Regulations. Pro tip: these are the terms that appear in audits, inspections, and standards documents. Memorizing them will save you time and confusion. Section 3. Risk Assessment and Procedures Abbreviations. Occupational Health and Safety. Occupational Health and Safety Management System. Health, Safety, and Environment Management System. Safety Management System. Emergency Management System. Standard Operating Procedure. Safe System of Work. Risk Assessment Method Statement. Hazard Identification and Risk Assessment. Job Safety Analysis. Job Hazard Analysis. Job Risk Assessment. Task Risk Assessment. Last-minute risk assessment. As low as reasonably practicable. Comment. Comment below if you've used these terms on the job. I bet most of you will recognize at least half already. Section 4. Permits and Work Authorization Abbreviations. Permit to work. Hot work permit. Cold work permit. Lifting work permit. Excavation permit. Electrical isolation work permit. Safe work permit. Work permit authorization. Work method statement. Lockout tagout. Quick tip: always check which permit is required before starting any task. Safety first. Section 5. Hazard and Safety Communication Abbreviations. Pre-startup safety review. Process safety management. Process hazard analysis. Hazard and operability study. Hazard communication. Hazardous waste operations. And emergency response. Safety data sheet. Material safety data sheet. Control of substances. Hazardous to health. Parts per million. Threshold limit value. Time-weighted average. Short-term exposure limit. Immediately dangerous to life or health. Permissible exposure limit. Pro tip: knowing these terms can help you read chemical labels and safety manuals quickly. Section 6. Emergency Response and Rescue Abbreviations. Occupational exposure limit. Lower explosive limit. Upper explosive limit. Boiling liquid expanding vapor explosion. Emergency response plan. Emergency action plan. Emergency response team. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Automated external defibrillator. Airway, breathing, circulation. Self-contained breathing apparatus. Remember, in emergencies, knowing these terms can save lives. Section 7. Lifting and Fall Protection Abbreviations. Safe Working Load. Fall Protection System. Personal Fall Arrest System. Wire Rope Sling. Synthetic Web Sling. Safe Load Indicator. Third-Party Inspection. Air Circuit Breaker. Lost Time Frequency Rate. Lost Time Injury. Total Recordable Injury Rate. Total Recordable Injury Frequency Rate. Section 8. Cases, Audits, and Toolbox Abbreviations. First Aid Case. Medical Treatment Case. Restricted Work Case. Toolbox Talk. Controlled Access Zone. Management of Change. Corrective and Preventive Action. Behavior-Based Safety. Display Screen Equipment. Dangerous Substances and Explosive Atmospheres Regulations. Section 9. Regulations and Workplace Safety Abbreviations. Lifting Operations and Lifting Equipment Regulations. Provision and Use of Work. Equipment Regulations. Construction Design and Management Regulations. Reporting of injuries, diseases, and dangerous occurrences. regulations, code of safe working practices, job safety environmental analysis, persons on board. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below with your favorite abbreviation or the one you didn't know before. Stay safe, stay informed, and see you in the next HSE training video.